that one. He's just there. I just saw a little swirl. There we go, lovely brown there, just on 3 pounds. So good way to start the day. That was actually first cast of the day. We've just walked down here and spotted that one cruising in and out of that weedy edge, and came up and took that beautifully. So good sign of things to come. And yeah, exactly what you come into Currawong Lakes to experience, just these big browns cruising the edge, flicking in a dry fly, watching them come up and eat it. Doesn't get much better than that. So we'll slip this guy away and keep working our way along.